Stop what you're doing and pay attention. Right now, we're going to do a right triangle similarity question. In the diagram below of right triangle BAL, altitude AD is drawn to the hypotenuse BDL. The length of AD is 6. If the length of DL is 4 times the length of BD, determine and state the length of BD. Okay, if the length of DL is 4 times the length of BD, we don't know what the length of BD is. We'll make BD X, and if DL is 4 times that length, then DL becomes 4X. These questions have a really distinct, unique picture. Okay, it's a right triangle laying on its hypotenuse, and there's really 3 right triangles in this picture. 1, 2, and then the third one's the big one. When you see the big one drawn like this with the altitude dropped, you know you're going to have to set up a proportion when you do this question. Anytime the altitude is included, whether this number is an X or an actual number, you have to do something I call the loop method to set up the proportion. This is how the loop looks. Our proportion is going to be X over 6 equals 6 over 4X. I'll show you again. X over 6 equals 6 over 4X. You only use this method when the altitude is involved. I'll show you in another video what to do when the legs are involved. Okay, so we're going to do the loop here. X over 6 equals 6 over 4X. Also, with this specific type of question, in the proportion, this diagonal should be the same number. Okay, that's how you know you kind of set it up correctly. Cross multiply, 4x squared equals 36. Divide by 4. X squared equals 9. X equals 3. And we said before that X was BD. So BD equals 3. Make sure on your test, box in your final answer. Make it really easy for the person grading your test to give you full points. Hope this helps.